Kaboom. What is this video about? Oh, yeah, that's right. I said it was how to break off or cut a foundation bolt, how to remove a foundation bolt. Now see here, here's a foundation bolt that's coming up through the concrete and right here and one right here. And I'm gonna get rid of those with this. That's it. And you know, every once in a while when you do work around construction sites and that kind of thing, you might end up finding there's a foundation bolt in your way. Maybe you're not going to use it. Now see this one here, for some reason they thought they were going to use this. This is just a little walk-through area to get between bay to bay underneath the house. Now here I am underneath my house, going into another area, going out into the crawl area to go outside. And these are ankle busters for sure. And I'm surprised. I've been back and forth down here, maybe, I don't know, 25, 30 times so far, back and forth underneath the house. I didn't used to have that, this light switch for these lights. And I put another one in that bay on the other side of the other one, the other bay, and I ran some electrical, and of course I put that all on my channel too. You have to watch those because it really turned out nice to get the light down here and stuff. And I'm gonna end up putting light down here and tapping into another circuit upstairs and all that kind of stuff later on a different circuit. But enough of that. We're still down here on our job, and so I want to get these foundation bolts out of here. I just don't like the thought of tripping over these, or somebody else coming down here and not knowing what they're doing and kind of messing up their ankle or tripping and falling or whatever. Okay, so I'll show you how to get those out of there just using a hammer. That's what this video is about. If you want to watch that, stick around. Yeah, I think you can see that from there. I'm trying to set my video camera up so you can see this. And these are pretty big foundation bolts. And basically, I'm going to take my hammer and I'm going to bend these back and forth. Boom, 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 boom. Well, did I eat my Wheaties this morning? There's a wire sticking out of there. Did I eat my Wheaties this morning or not? Let's get this down, that concrete down just a little bit. And if I had a sledgehammer, you know, a medium size sledgehammer, I'd use that. But I don't. Another reason why I'm using my goggles, I already felt some stuff hit my face. I was like, I don't think I'm going to need my goggles today. But you never know, and that's why I thought I was just going to come down here and clean some stuff. But I forgot about this and cutting that 2x6 out of there and all that. But let's just see what I can do here. Might take me a while. I'm just gonna try to bend this. Boy, these are big too. Most foundation bolts aren't as fat as this one. I don't know why this one's so fat. Oh, good grief, this will take me a while. Now I do have my Sawzall here with a metal cutting blade. I could zip off maybe half of it and then beat it back and forth. I thought I could just take them out. Back and forth. That's a 1/2 inch. No, I thought I'd taken these years ago. I had to beat some of these out before. And yeah, I remember I hit them with a big, huge sledgehammer. But have a sledgehammer. Oh man. Gives you quite the workout. Come on, baby. Don't fail me now. Oh, I'm getting weak now. Make a liar out of me now. This is not going to defeat me today. No sirree, bub. Whew. If this is all you have, I want you to know that you can do it. You can do it. Oh. Oh. If I wasn't making the video, I'd turn around and do it. Oh, maybe you can see it if I do that. Maybe not. Eventually it's going to get weak, and I'm going to be able to break it right off. You get the idea. No, big huge sledgehammer, and you can do it much easier. Doggies. Oh, look at that. It broke. There it is. And see, when you bend them, usually they break underneath the concrete a little bit. Holy macro. Half inch. Oh, what is this? Half inch. Could be 5 5/8 foundation bolts. That's a big one. Oh. Hey there. Look at that. Whew. Whew. I can't believe it. I did it. I did it. I've been wanting to get that out for a long time because this is my walk area. And I want this all smooth. I don't want to be tripping over this area at all. Okay. There's a little bit of concrete on here, and I'm just gonna kind of whack it off. I don't have any tripping hazards. Last thing I want to do is have somebody get hurt coming down here. Whew. And I'm going to take this one out too. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to whack this off the same way. I got my saws all down here, and I'll do it that way. It's not going to be as flush as that, but it's going to be down far enough. And I'll do that next. You want to watch that? Stick around because it's coming up. Ooh.